2019 Principles of Accounts, past question number 13. It said, which of the following conditions would attract credit and debit notes to be used? So, option A. Option A says when goods are received from suppliers. When a good is received from supplier, the person gets what is called a delivery note. Delivery notes that which shows that the goods have been delivered to A, B, or C, individual or company as the case may be. So it's delivery notes. B says when a trial balance is extracted. A trial balance has nothing to do with debit and credit notes because it is from the ledger, from individual ledgers, that a trial balance is extracted. C, when a buyer is under or overcharged. Yes, when you are undercharged, you'll be given a credit note, and when you overcharge, you'll be given a debit note. So this is the situation where you receive the credits or a debit note. D says when goods are sold to buy. When a good is sold to a buyer and the buyer makes payment, he gets what is called a receipt, which shows that evidence that he or she has paid. So option C is the right answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.